So let's talk a bit about email marketing. Here's why I would want to create a customer list. We are looking for people who are really interested in us. We love people who open our emails and forward them to friends and colleagues. Make sure that the lead generation or the lead magnet solves a problem and is related to a product or service. We are going to talk about lead magnet in details in this video. Email marketing is one of the most effective and efficient ways for attracting and acquiring customers. In other words, email grows your business. There are many benefits of email marketing for the small and medium enterprises or SMEs, including return on investment or ROI. In fact, research shows how every brand investing in email marketing receives $42 in return. In reality, effective email marketing is dependent on huge customer database. It enables you to advertise goods, increase sales, and develop relationship with your clients. How can you invite people to sign up? What is the place? Where and how? This is a question you must ask yourself. You should make use of social signups. You could create a Facebook landing page to grow your subscription list. You could also creatively promote the newsletter on other website pages such as About Us page. Your email address should look good on your desktop and mobile phone. The number of email opens on mobile devices now accounts for 60% of total email activity. Here are some tips you can do right now to get your email on your mobile. Keep the design clear and simple. Use a one page template. Avoid capitalization. Use images only when they are necessary. The maximum opening rate you can expect is up to 25%. However, email marketing is an effective way for small businesses to personalize their email. So, take the time to create content and tweak the messages related to your customers. Now, what we have already discussed about lead magnet, what is it? According to Investopedia, lead magnets are free trading time items or services provided to collect contact information. This could be ebooks, this could be checklists, trial subscriptions, infographics, and many more. So, permission based, let's talk a little bit about permission based email marketing. Remember that in order to keep your users, you must keep your sign up promise. So, if you said that you'll be emailing them once a week, then go ahead and do it. It's just as important to get new subscribers as it is to keep the ones that you already have. Now, first and foremost, you must create a subject line and a nice one to ensure that your message is seen. Keep it brief. According to HubSpot, 46% of all emails are opened on email mobile devices, implying that subject line with longer length will be cut off. Because of the prevalence of mobile phones, it is critical to place the most relevant information at the top of the page. Now, or uh, don't squander your email with meaningless words like "hi," "thank you." Your email should focus on the main subject. Now, when in doubt, this should be a motto that when in doubt, keep things plain and simple. Let's be straightforward about everything. People who have agreed to receive emails from you indicate that you like your company, or even better, they want to do business with you. So that is a plus and that is a good sign. As a result, you can trust your campaign and examine upon your click through rates. You could conduct an A/B test for your businesses. You would, for example, experiment with subject lines. You are now prepared to incorporate those suggestions in your email's marketing plan. And remember, that your email design must represent your brand, which means placing your logo at the top and using fonts, colors, and photographs or pictures that are associated with your brand. So, guys, this was it. If you do like the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so I may be able to produce more videos like this for you. Thank you.